Pull it real hard.
All your might.
More.
I can't jack off a gun. What the hell?
Harder. Harder.
I want to stick.
More. A little harder.
I need to do it. Okay, that's not.
Hey everybody, welcome. Today we're doing a little beer flu lockdown Marco Polo. And no doubt you've seen Airsoft Marco Polo lots of times on lots of different channels, but there's only 4 of us, so we're adding a little bit of a twist. We're giving Marco a tri-shot shotgun, because Marco deserves a fighting chance. So everybody welcome to Beer Flu Lockdown, Airsoft Shotgun, Marco Polo.
We're going to take turns holding the shotgun. We're going to stand in the middle with our eyes closed. And we're gonna go Marco, and everybody else is gonna go Polo. And when they say Polo,
play Marco Polo with
and
the
when they
shotgun.
say Polo, they have to stop moving, and we have to try and hit someone with our eyes closed. Say hello to my little friend. I don't think our hazmat suits are up to regulation.
When he says Marco, you have to stop when you say Polo.
What? But if I
You can't.
stop, he's gonna hit me.
I have to be able to hear you.
Like, we should be like a long way away
Look at my hand.
because that felt like a dog bite or something. Like something that.
That's why when we go, we're always wearing multiple layers. You're just wearing a
I
short
don't
sleeve
got
shirt.
no multiple layers.
I play in a t-shirt. What are you complaining about? What?
But
You
you
have
also
protective blubber.
Not on my arms.
Yes. Oh my God.
Hey, to be fair, it actually hurts a lot worse to get hit in a fat soft spot.
it does. I don't need to
Gave
cheat.
you that.
I need to cheat.
Okay.
I mean, not, I need
I can't see anything. That's just because you're stabbing me in the eye.
Okay. Now you're good to go.
Okay, so this isn't loaded yet. I can't load it.
Okay, you're loaded.
Luke doesn't have a gun. It
That's
smells like
unsafe.
sweat.
Yep, you only got 10 shots.
Ring around the rosy. Marco.
Hello.
Polo.
Did I get anyone?
Nope.
Marco.
Polo.
Hello.
No.
Nope.
Polo. Wait, wrong word. Marco.
Polo.
No.
Nope.
Marco.
Polo.
Polo.
Nope.
Marco.
Polo. Ooh, no.
Did anything even come
Dang,
out?
you missed him by
Yeah.
inches.
Marco.
Polo. No.
Marco.
Polo.
Polo. I think that's it.
Did I get you?
BB go through my legs.
You almost hit me several times, but you missed.
Hold up. I gotta get farther away.
Polo.
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 Oh, right on the money.
Damn, that hurt.
See?
Polo.
Polo.
Polo. Oh, thank God.
Polo.
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 Ooh.
Polo.
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 I'm okay.
Polo.
Polo. Polo.
Oh, thank God.
Polo.
Polo.
Oh. Polo.
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 Stop it! He's trying to hide behind me.
Polo.
Polo. Polo.
Did you say Marco? Polo. Ah, you hit my foot.
Okay, where's the middle?
Walk towards me. Don't shoot me, but just come here, come here, come here, come here, come here.
Stand right there.
Okay.
Say don't do anything.
Marco. Polo.
Polo.
Marco. Polo.
Polo.
You got me. Marco.
Polo.
Mom's behind the trampoline.
Okay, that one's down the counter.
That counts. Trick shot. Marco. Polo.
Polo.
Marco. Polo. Marco. Polo. Marco. Polo. Oh, that would have hit you. Marco.
Polo.
Oh, did nothing come out? Okay, that one came out. Marco.
Polo. Polo.
Marco.
Polo.
Okay, that was it.
You can walk around.
Well, I got two. I got two.
How many shots do you get?
2 to 1 to 0 so far. You get
No,
10 shots.
I hit two.
I don't know
I
how
hit
to work
Logan in the
this
foot.
Oh, did you?
Yeah.
How do you work this?
Logan said I hit him in the foot.
Also,
so-
you have one. You pump it. You only wait. Oh,
And
yeah,
then
he did technically hit two.
Is
He hit
it
you
on
twice.
safety?
No, he hit
No.
me in the ricochet
not on safety.
on mom count.
Okay, this is safety.
Ricochet counts?
Yeah.
Well, just take the safety off.
Okay, safety's off.
You gotta pull it pretty hard.
Wait, but I can see you. Oh, that stinks.
Exactly. That's
Y'all smell. Marco.
Polo.
Marco.
Pollo. Polo. Pull it real hard. All your might. More.
I can't jack off a gun. What the hell?
Harder. Harder.
Distraction.
I want to stick.
More. A little harder.
I need to do it. Okay, that's
Where was that great throwing stick?
Okay, go run. Marco.
Pollo.
There we
There
go.
you go.
Okay, Marco.
Pollo.
Marco.
Pollo.
Polo.
Marco.
Save the beast.
Polo.
Pollo.
Damn it.
Dad's the turtle. He's to your right. More. Oh, you missed.
Marco.
Pollo.
Polo. No.
Hey, Marco.
Polo.
Pollo.
Marco.
Polo.
Pollo. It went over my head. Hey, if you turn around, Dad's sitting in the chair. Visualize where the patio
Marco.
is. Pollo.
Marco.
Pollo.
Polo.
Marco.
Polo.
Pollo.
Marco.
Polo.
Marco.
Pollo.
Oh!
Did you
Did I get you?
Yeah.
Hey, I was hiding behind him.
Marco.
Polo.
Pollo loco.
All right, that's it. That's it. So who won?
Me.
Luke got 2 and you got 2.
Oh,
I got
so
2.
fine.
I got one.
You got 1.
I
Logan
came in
got
last.
1.
Damn, Logan.
Logan, you got 1, didn't you?
No, we
You
didn't.
got 0?
I almost got you twice and I almost got Luke.
Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed watching this lockdown airsoft shotgun Marco Polo half as much as we enjoyed playing it. And I think we see the end of this lockdown on the horizon. But in the meantime, stay safe, wash your hands, don't touch your face. And until then, we'll see you next time.
Take your hat off.
Ah, it's around my face.
Oh, hey guys. We hope you liked the video, and if you did, we've got a whole bunch more. In fact, there's a couple right here. You can look at this one, or this one right there. Or you know what, if you don't want to miss any of these, you could go ahead and subscribe by hitting that little round button right there. I mean, you don't have to, But I'd like you to. I do put a lot of hard work into these videos, but you know, you can do whatever you want. It takes a lot of time, but